What's up, y'all? Today I'm here to show you a new product, which is our Prism high-low beam switch. And what this does is allows you to toggle between high and low beam on your Prism 4.5-inch LED headlight with just one wire. All right, so the first step of this, what you're gonna do is remove the two bolts that came with the Prism 4.5-inch headlight. It takes a Phillips head screwdriver. The reason we wanna remove these is because the ones that come in the kit are slightly longer, so they work with the switch. So now we're gonna take the base plate and one of the longer supplied screws and install it on the headlight. So when you're doing this, you wanna make sure that you put this on the right way. There's a slot in the bottom of this switch, and you gotta make sure that slot is on the low beam side. And then we're gonna take the longer screw and tighten the base onto the high beam side of the headlight. Now, we're ready for the low beam, but before we put that screw in, what we gotta do is crimp a wire. You might have already had this crimped. It's the same exact terminal that we supply with the headlight as we do in the switch kit. If it's already crimped, you don't need to do this step. So now that we have the crimp done, we're gonna go back to the headlight and put the longer screw in the terminal that you just crimped and then install that on the low beam side of the switch. The last part of the process is installing the rocker switch cap. So that's pretty much it for the install. We're incredibly proud of this product and we think you guys will dig it as well. It's a great solution for toggling between your high and low beam on the headlight. You're gonna wanna toggle it a couple times because it's so satisfying. I promise it is.